Think about the last time you were in class, the teacher was explaining something important, but your mind drifted away, maybe to your lunch, your phone notification, or something that happened yesterday. After class, you realized you remembered almost nothing. This shows one thing: listening is not the same as hearing. Research shows that students remember only about 25% of what they hear in class, so understanding what stops us from listening effectively is important. Today, I will introduce 3 common listening barriers: external distractions, psychological and emotional factors, and lack of feedback. These barriers affect not only learning but also communication. The first barrier is external distractions, noises, and physical conditions in the classroom. Whispering, door opening, chair moving, poor lighting, or uncomfortable temperature all break our concentration. Case and Lenneberger explaining that these interruptions program the listener's focus and reduce comprehension. Technology is another major distraction. Notifications from laptops and phones constantly pull students' attention away. According to an EdCourse report, 68% of college students multitask during lectures. They appear to be listening, but their attention is split, leading to shallow or surface listening. The second barrier comes from mixing our thoughts and emotions. Psychological distractions include thinking about deadlines, replying conversations, or simply daydreaming. Keyes and Lenneberger calls this internal noise, which prevents real understanding. Emotions also include listening. Bro and Becker found that anxious students remained from 40% stress, freedom, or learning mode can cause selective listening. We only hear what we are raised, even we are ignored. The lessons are important. The third barrier is lack of feedback. Many students listen silently without nodding, eye contact, and ask questions. The turning lacked into a dead wave process. Teachers also cannot tell whether students understand, leading to weak communication. Keyes and Lenneberger emphasize that effectively feedback should be specific and positive. Simple actions like summarize a point, nodding, and ask a question make listening effective and interactive. This strengthens both comprehension and classroom communication. Today, I introduced the 3 major listening barriers in classrooms: external distractions, technology and emotional factor, and lack of feedback. These barriers showed that effectively with more psychological and emotional factory and lack of feedback. This obstructive reminds us that listening is not passive, it requires attention, awareness, and interactions. Keyes and Lenneberger wrote, communication begins not only with speaking, but with listening. When we learn to listen actively, we not only become better students, we become better communicators, better teams, and better people. That's all. Thank you.